The best portable bathtubs for adults and kids to relax. Portable bathtubs are an apt alternative to fixed bathtubs, as the latter are usually bulky and space-consuming. As the name suggests, you can carry the best portable bathtubs from one place to another. They are suitable for giving baths to babies, and are also a great option to beat the heat during summer, as little ones can enjoy playing with water. If you are thinking about choosing the right portable bathtub, we've got it sorted, thanks to our compilation and reviews of the best portable bathtubs. Number 1. Best Non-Toxic Flymei Baby Inflatable Bathtub. The Flymei Inflatable Bathtub includes an air pump and is easy to inflate and deflate. The foldable tub is travel-friendly and has a side pocket to keep your phone and other essentials while your baby splashes around. This portable folding bathtub has a non-slippery textured bottom and is suitable for children up to 3. This tub measures 38.5 by 25.2 by 11 inches. What we like: anti-skid, bump in the middle, soft, non-toxic, durable, bottom hook for hanging. What we don't like: may have a plastic smell. Number 2. Best Ergonomic Design Cozy Inflatable Adult Bathtub. The Cozy Inflatable Bathtub is a freestanding bathtub for adults and comes with an electric air pump for easy inflation and deflation. It is made of high-density PVC and is extremely durable, non-toxic, and waterproof. A one-of-a-kind zipper lock aids in keeping the water temperature stable. By removing the cover, you can convert this tub into a baby pool. It also has an inflatable pillow and cup holder for your convenience and comfort. What we like: ergonomic design, durable zipper closure, 3-tier tub, dual drain pipes, extra thick floor, foldable for easy storage. What we don't like: no handles for moving. Number 3. Best Spacious Ganen Freestanding Bathtub. The Ganen Freestanding Bathtub is ideal for small living spaces because it comprises 3 layers of durable PVC material that keeps water temperature stable for an extended duration. It is portable and can be used indoors and outdoors. The tub measures 30 times 30 inches and has a weight capacity of 100 kilograms. A thick sponge bottom ensures maximum comfort. The drainage faucet is leak-proof and detachable. What we like: large size, spacious, inflatable neck rest and arm support, no leak design, lightweight, phthalate-free, easy to clean. What we don't like: support poles and drain pipes may seem fragile. Number 4. Best Eco-Friendly Besthls Foldable Bathtub. This eco-friendly thermal insulated soaking tub comprises 6 layers of waterproof material, foam, and a zippered cover. It keeps the water hot for 60 minutes, giving you the feeling of being in a home spa. A strong metal bracket keeps the tub stable and secure. It is adequately spacious, measuring 23 by 43.5 by 23.6 inches. What we like: space-saving, double drain, 6-pillar stability, thermal insulation, metal bracket and elastic bars for shape and stability, food-grade PVC. What we don't like: PVC may seem weak. Number 5. Best Insulation Bathtub Soaking Bathtub Home for Spa. Soak yourself in a luxurious spa-like experience with this bathtub. The extra-large tub measures 45 by 31.5 and 23.6 inches on the inside and can hold a capacity of 200 kilograms. A plug at the bottom with a drain pipe facilitates easy drainage. It comes with an electric pump that inflates the tub in 5 to 10 minutes. The air-filled plastic keeps the water insulated for an hour. What we like: foldable, durable material, comes with attached headrests, space for 2 persons, 2 cup holders, easy installation. What we don't like: may not be easy to clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.